5 Tips to make your wooden house last forever. Dear friends, there's no doubting that wooden homes are beautiful, good for the environment and a fantastic way to ensure great value for money and create natural harmony with valuable garden spaces, but are they long-lasting? Here in this video, we are giving some top tips for prolonging the life of a wooden home, so if you have been considering building one, be sure to watch on, to put any fears you may have, to one side. 1. Choose construction materials that are fit for purpose. Before you even build a wooden home, you can protect the lifespan of it by selecting the perfect building materials. You need to consult a professional, to make sure that you are investing in strong varieties of wood, which are appropriately seasoned and ready to withstand any weather conditions. Even if you are on a tight budget, choosing the wood used to construct your home should not be an exercise in cost cutting. 2. Try to minimize exposure to harsh elements. It's not always possible to minimize exposure to the elements, but if you can find a more sheltered or secluded plot for your home build, it's worth thinking about. Don't forget that wood needs to be maintained, so the less you have to worry about, the better. 3. Reduce exposure to rain during construction. Wood is such a versatile material and it can get wet, if allowed to dry out properly, but during the construction phase, it is a good idea to minimize exposure to water. This will help to prevent warping, shrinkage or swelling that could have an impact on the design of your home. Prevention is always better than a cure. 4. Use a suitable stain or paint. When your home is built, you need to seal the raw materials, so choose your stain or paint very carefully. Think about the weather conditions that your home will regularly be subjected to and use them as your guiding force. So, in the case of an area that has heavy annual rainfall, you will want a stain that offers waterproof protection and be conscientious when applying it. Don't miss any areas or try to rush, as that could cause you heartache in the future. 5. Commit to a schedule of maintenance. All homes need ongoing care and attention, but a wooden home can require more than most. It's a good idea to check your home annually for signs of rot or pest infestation, as well as adding a fresh coat of paint or stain. Also be sure to look at window and door seals, to be certain that water isn't getting in anywhere it shouldn't and prepared to recaulk any gaps. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.